Every day through processes like breathing and digestion, and then also through exposure to things like sunlight and pollution, our bodies create free radicals, which are missing an electron. And these are unstable molecules that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA. This damage, which is known as oxidative stress, is a major contributor to aging and also serious diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. And they also play a key role in the oxidative stress theory of aging, which is a theory that posits that the buildup of free radicals in our body is one of the main reasons why we age. Vitamin E helps defend the body against these free radicals by donating one of its electrons to stabilize them. Its structure is very stable, which allows it to remain functional even after losing an electron, and in doing this, it stops the chain reaction of damage before it can spread. And vitamin E can continue donating these electrons with help from vitamin C, which regenerates it. You can see the process of its regeneration in this diagram. By protecting our cells from oxidative stress, vitamin E supports healthy aging, boosts immune system function, and then also helps lower the risk of chronic disease. And the rest of this segment, we're going to be talking about the effects of vitamin E supplements and give a recommendation on whether we think they should be part of your daily routine. So now I'm going to be bringing on our first guest to talk about 2 studies that have seen benefits in taking vitamin E supplements.
I want to talk about how research has shown vitamin E to be beneficial for anti-aging, serving as an antioxidant and suppresses inflammation in mice. In a study from the American Journal of Physiology, researchers found that high dose of vitamin E supplementation extended the lifespan of male mice that were 61 to 85 weeks old by an incredible of 40%, which is shown on this survival graph, where the filled-in triangles are the mice with vitamin E, and it has a higher survival rate compared to the mice without vitamin E. Vitamin E didn't just help them live longer, it also preserved their brain mitochondrial function and reduced oxidative damage, which are key factors in maintaining energy and neurological health with aging. The scientists are also thinking that this could translate to longer health span in humans. Another study in the Journal of Leukocyte Biology showed that vitamin E significantly lowered harmful inflammation markers, PGE2, in aging mice. PGE2 plays a significant role in inflammation and immune responses. By reducing oxidative stress and dangerous compounds like peroxynitrite, vitamin E plays a key role in restoring a more youthful immune response without changing gene expression in these mice. These findings suggest that vitamin E isn't just an antioxidant. It could be a critical tool for healthier aging, targeting both brain vitality and inflammatory control. However, these studies were done on mice and not humans, so we are not 100% sure that these effects will be the same for humans.
Vitamin E is in our multivitamins, our skincare products, and even our fortified foods. We've been told that it's an antioxidant powerhouse, essential for good health. But what if I told you that for some people this so-called miracle vitamin could be secretly weakening our bones? So today we're diving into groundbreaking research that suggests that vitamin E, specifically the most common form, alpha-tocopherol, may actually accelerate bone loss. And the scariest part, this has nothing to do with its antioxidant benefit. A 2012 study published in Nature Medicine found that when mice were given alpha-tocopherol at doses similar to human vitamin E supplements, they lost about 20% of their bone mass in just 8 weeks. What we discovered was startling. Vitamin E wasn't just helping bones, it was actively breaking them down by stimulating osteoclasts, the cells that reabsorb bone, and this effect was completely separate from its antioxidant properties. This is the big debate. The human data is mixed, but a mouse study provides a clear mechanism for harm. Until we have more research, biogerontologists urge caution, especially for postmenopausal women or anyone at risk for osteoporosis. So what should you do? First, don't panic. If you're taking vitamin E for general health, you might not need it. Most people get enough foods like almonds, spinach, and sunflower seeds. But if you're popping high doses of supplements, talk to your doctor, because when it comes to your bones, the stakes are too high to ignore the warning signs.
After hearing from both of our guests, we would not recommend taking vitamin E as a supplement to promote health span and extend lifespan. Even though vitamin E is a very important antioxidant, studies have shown that taking it in high doses might actually cause health problems. Since you usually get enough vitamin E from food, and because the risks of supplements seem to outweigh the benefits, we do not think it's a good way to support healthy aging.